This is a 1971 Chevrolet El Camino. Has the upgraded wheels, new tires. It's kind of a dark green metallic, black vinyl roof. This car is in really, really nice condition. Paint is in nearly flawless condition. It's got the spray-in bed liner. Tinted windows. Newer upholstery. Literally needs nothing done to it. So there you have it. That's the 71 Chevy El Camino. For additional information, visit us online at www.weisco.com. That's Weisco.com, or give us a phone call at 303-475-2975. That's 303-475-2975. Thanks for viewing our video.